I've had lots of questions about the front gate, and it came from a company called Automation Plus. We bought the kit. It's called a solar powered kit, so it comes with the solar panel, the electric motor, which can do a 3-meter swing, 175 kilo gate, and it's so simple. This is the control box that it comes with. Inside, literally, you have 2 batteries, so it lasts for a week with no sun. You pretty much put your motor power there. This came all pre-wired with the batteries, and one from the solar panel, so it's really, really easy. Came with 5 remote controls, plus we got this keypad one here. So if you're away and someone needs to get in to get some of your stuff or something like that, like a friend or something wants to borrow something, you just enter the code and it activates the gate. It's super silent, the motor, you can't hear a thing. It sets its own limits, all of that kind of stuff. It was $780 with free shipping. So yeah, if you need an automatic gate kit like solar powered, don't have to run any cables, self-sufficient, lasts a week with no sun, best thing around. So thanks to Automation Plus. We didn't reach out to them, we just found them online and got it. But yeah, it's been a lot of questions about it, so check them out if you want a gate. And it also came with this little button here, so we've mounted it up here. So if you're sitting on the veranda and someone needs to come in, you can just activate it through the button and open and close the gate. We've just taken it down for painting, but yeah, really, really cool thing. It's got a 2-year battery in it, so should last for a long time.